Hey guys, want to show you the major things we have done here. So you can see spending about like $100,000 in this one account for the store, getting approximately $300,000 in total revenue. So I want to show you some of the major principles that we have done to maximize the profitability, even since iOS changes, being able to spend like $100,000 in just one ad account. And also, if you want the tracking cheat sheet, just comment tracking below, and I'll give you the Facebook ads tracking cheat sheet that has several ways you can utilize to maximize your tracking and to make it as efficient as possible. So number one here, guys, is using the conversion API. So if you go to Shopify dashboard, you choose Facebook channels, settings, data sharing settings, you have to choose a level maximum here. And so this cheat sheet pretty much outlines exactly how to do that. So make sure you have that set up. The issue with a lot of advertisers right now is that pretty much what happened after the iOS update is that Facebook has like less data available, right? Because people are tracking, turning off the tracking from Facebook app. And people are saying, don't track my activity, right? So if you buy something, let's say from Facebook app, then Facebook would not report that sale, would not add it to their database. And then other people who want to target buyers, let's say if you're optimizing for purchase, so you won't be able to target the person. Imagine that happens with millions of people that are using iOS devices, which means the pool of potential buyers on Facebook just reduced. And also those sales that are actually happening, they're not reported properly. So this is why you'd have issues like this, but we're able to maintain $100,000 per month in ad spend, and also maintaining that, the ROAS pretty much stayed the same before and after the iOS update. So this is exactly what will help you to do that. Again, guys, comment cheat sheet below this video. So I'll show you, I sent you this cheat sheet so you can implement it in your business. So aggregated events measurement, go to pixels under business settings. You can see you select the pixel you're working with, open in events manager. Everything is like step by step in this cheat sheet, so you can just follow it. Aggregated event management, select the domain you're working on, manage events. And so you would set up these 5 events. I would recommend you set up purchase, add to cart, and should check out view content, add payment info. And so pretty much everything here is also outlined like step by step. How to do it, how to set up all of these events. So make sure, guys, this is very, very important. This is one of those like foundational things that Facebook is like recommending. There are different softwares. There's like Hyros, there are other like Red Track, there's like Wicked Reports, which you could explore. But as a starting point, if your tracking is messed up, if you're losing like 30-40% or more of your purchases, then I would recommend just get these foundational things done. And so this would help you to have that in place. Hey guys, people have been asking me how we scale to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook. And we have a very sophisticated solution for this that I want to share with you, but it's just like too valuable to give away for free. So if you guys want this solution, just book a call with one of my team members and we'll show you exactly what it is and how it works, and we'll see if that's a good fit for you and for your business. So just book a call with my team member. We'll share it with you so you can scale your business to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook, without having inconsistency, and with high profitability. So just book a call with my team and I'll see you there. Number 3 that I would recommend you guys set up is Ads Manager metrics, unique to total. So this is simple setup to see better tracking of data. So we've noticed that unique metrics are no longer working, and the only option we have to track actions are changing the metrics to total. So you may change the following metrics to total. So add to cart, initial checkout links, content views, landing page views. So here you can see, right? You do the total, right? So let's say you search for add to cart. If you go for custom metrics, so you can search for them here. Let's say for add to carts, you would do total instead of like unique, right? Before we had a lot of unique. I want to show you like the view that we still have here. See here? Oh, there's no unique in this view, but you would have here the unique metrics. Now you would use total, right? Like as a kind of the metric that you'd put in here. So then you could customize all of these columns. You can set up that view so it properly reflects on the dashboard. Then UTM parameters. So this helps to track missed purchase. However, if you're at scale, it will get like very tedious to track like one by one, especially if you have like $10 ad sets. So you may hire like virtual assistant to track if you need. So go to your ads manager, add creative tab, select ads, edit, copy and paste UTM parameter. So this is the UTM parameter. Make sure the code is added to all ad creatives that you plan to track. You may proceed to track by going to Shopify, order, view conversion details, full session, voila. So you should be able to see which ad set it came from, right? So you can see, scroll down, you see parameters, enter the code that was provided here. You can see. And then what you can do is proceed to track by going to Shopify, order, view conversion details on the right, view full session, and voila. So you would be able to see where it came from, like view conversion details. Again, I mean, it gets a bit messy, right? There's so many different ways of, so let's say you have like selling $20 product. I mean, it will get like very, very time intensive to check every purchase. But if you're selling, let's say the product that's like $100, $200, $300 more high ticket, which I personally prefer as well to sell like higher ticket products, then it will be a lot easier to achieve. Again, guys, comment tracking below so I can send this cheat sheet to you. What helped us with profitability though, and this is kind of like what I wanted to cover as well. This is one of our like small niche stores that's doing, like $200,000, $300,000 per month, but doing that with a great amount of consistency, months over months, year over year. It's pretty consistent niche store, not a lot of volume. So we have a few of those that's kind of like more evergreen. And what helps us to maintain that is the backend.
You want to get a free course on scaling your e-commerce business with higher profitability, consistency, and without having banned ad account issues? Just DM me on Instagram. This is my Instagram. It's Alex Fedotoff 3app. Just DM me on Instagram. I'll send you the free course, and also I will send you the access to our private community on Facebook that is exclusive only for people that do at least $30,000 per month or more. We have a lot of 7- and 8-figure sellers there. So you can network, you can mastermind, you can connect with great people. You can have all of your questions answered. This is very exclusive community that I want to give you invitation to, but you have to DM me. So just DM me on Instagram and I'll get you the access to all of those. And let's get back to the video.
Right, like the email marketing. So for example, we're working with email marketing agency, Comment agency. So I can introduce you to them if you want. This is only if you do already like $50,000, $100,000 per month. You want to add another like 15-20% of revenue or more. Sometimes I think this one we get like 30% of revenue from email marketing. So if you want an introduction to these guys, just Comment agency and I'll introduce you to them. You'll connect with me on Instagram and I'll introduce you to these guys. But having those things in place, having the strong backend, this is what helps you to maintain. The first week of like after iOS update, it was like pretty bad. While we were like figuring out this tracking, then we have adapted. We've learned some things, and now it's pretty good. Our tracking is about 80%, 70-80% correct, and the rest of it, which is not correct, we are compensating by having this strong backend, by having strong like email backend, by upselling the more products to the same customer, so maximizing that lifetime value, maximizing that profit that we generate from each customer, and also using SMS extensively. So these channels basically help us to maintain the profitability. This store, for example, does $300,000 per month approximately in sales, depending on the months, and it is about 30% profit. It went down to like 15-20 when the iOS was just introduced, but then we just got it back to where it should be 30%, good solid profit margin. So make sure that you implement this tracking. Yeah, I'll send you just let me know tracking. We'll share it with you. And also, if you want to get more details on our private community where we share like all of these solutions, this is just very fundamental one that you should have in place. If you want to have kind of like know what's going on and all of these solutions that other like 7-8 figure guys are using, if you are those numbers, if you're at least $50,000-$100,000 per month or more, you want to be in the right community of the right people, know kind of like the solutions to all of these problems as they arise. We're constantly battling either Facebook or tracking issues or something. Then just let me know in the comments or just book a call with my team. There should be a link below. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comments. Just comment below and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.